Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. So I didn't want to record when I did up on the road for now, but it's a rain hard. If you live at Kingston, by the way, not even Kingston alone, it's a rain everywhere. So I couldn't get for record none at all. When I know my anniversary the right round the corner, like literally right round the corner, the 5th of November. So I went gift shopping today and I bought some gifts, right? I need to finish pull up my hair because I need to go do my hair, and I still have Kenro in the middle because I'm lazy. So yeah. Let me show you what I got. I'm going to draw about this because this is not hot. I'm sure now. So, I'm not going to know what in it until the day. And guys, it's a rain and rain mess up my thing. Could I? My God, man. The other one. Yeah. So 2 gifts. These are the everyone. Evie. And these are the, not so everyone. So I need to add them here before Jason come over. I need to write the name right here. So, and for look the man, rain man, the rain mash up my business. But yeah, I don't know why I'm not getting a gift bag, but I'm gonna get those tomorrow because tomorrow is another day when I need to get my hair done and need to change the color of these. And yeah. Alright, so yeah, I think I did a good job with the gift, you know. One of them I did really want to like replace. I not go to too much ins because I'm not going to see when I open them. But the vlog here not going to be long. It's just the vlog here just me preparing stuff for like, you know, our anniversary. So I need to pull up my hair because it stink. And to be honest, the hairstyle here probably one of my favorite. It did fit my face really, and I'm surprised how it never pull up quick. Like, I don't know, I'm a hair natural. Normally, natural hair people, when them rock the hairstyle, they look cute, but it not serve long. But the girl, the lady, she did a good job. If you're located in Clarendon, check her out. And if you're willing to travel, if you get your hair flayed, check her out. But yeah, I need to add them gift before Jason reach home, because I want him feel like I not get him nothing. So when I see the vlogs them, I go always pretend like I not get him nothing, none at all. Although I buy him one shirt, so I probably tell him say I that me get him for the as a gift. Even though I just buy him because I think it did look cute. Just buy him without nothing. I don't buy him for no gift nor no nothing. I just buy him. So I need to go finish pull up my hair and blow dry it tonight. Because I have think a 9 o'clock appointment. I figure do my hair. I'm tired bad. I'm not lie. I walk up and down today, but it never did hard for me to get a gift because I buy normally when I buy people stuff, I don't know if that's weird, but I normally get them stuff when I hear them talk about, like stuff what them need. Because I not lie. If you go buy me one gift, buy me something what your sister me need. Nobody buy me nothing well. Although I still appreciate it, but buy me something I need. So I get Jason something where I think him need. Alright guys, so I finally finished pull up my hair and Jason reach home.
And then I tell me say I $5 like me shirt.
But you not appreciate it?
Of course I appreciate it, but I don't like about the price. It's great, it's a shirt, and I appreciate the shirt. I see it. Yes, eh?
So you not give me one little kiss for that?
One more.
So you like it?
Love it, babe, I love it.
Good, awesome.
Man,
Oh man, we have to take off your clothes for my vlog. Just, oh.
You know, we show it.
I know you're not a pride when you come on to that. You love your gift?
Of course.
We are approached 4 years.
Now, right in time and everything.
Carry some water, come give me.
Yeah, what you did? You have to make it strong back from going from here. Yeah, we are, you know.
Well, let me ask you a question.
I go outside and come back in and then I come back to my normal yard. No, strong back. Yo.
Babe, me never know if you're ready for it and we spoil.
No, man, just make a little man because you know, say, Stick never fracture, you know. Look back. Joey, what kind of style that? You know, I'm going to see some tourists and I think I'm going to look nice.
Put this in a garbage bin for me. My bread. Maybe how long do you see me really here?
You will buy food.
You want
food? You're not hungry. You buy a box food.
Me not like that style.
No.
No.
Over you, my girl. I'm there. Hungry, kill me and why. And I mean, you're going to take you for anniversary.
My baby, stop.
Look what's food in my fridge.
But not
What's
sure.
food in my fridge? And you see, and look at me I eat right now.
Good morning, guys. So, I wake up, wash my hair, and make it dry. Blow dry it. My shoulder hurt me for some strange reason, but I can't run that one here. It don't look so good, but it's not for beauty, it's for duty. And then I have the one here for cane and then I go ready, bed, and put on my clothes. Last night I did drop asleep. Like I give Jason some food for eat and just knock out. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm ready. And we're gonna leave out together. It's raining now. So we did a try to like beat the rain because I have one 10 o'clock appointment. 10-11 there. So I did think at 9:30, 9 o'clock, but she said 10-11. So I want to beat the rain. We'll make tea and I remember to drink it. Lord God. So yeah. Hold on. I have to see if everyone lock up good enough because you know I gotta check. Alright, door lock. Fridge lock. Alright. I think we're good.
I mean, so tell me, say, no, can get this started out.
G-face. Oh, do nice oops and all. Do oops. Stern eye, T-joint.
Alright guys, so put up our way. Mr. Me have to put on a fast piece already in a while ago because me go out in the town but me I got the finger and take long to come back in, so we did have to rush a while ago. But today is our anniversary. Today is the 4th of November and oh my god, when I'm a supporter today, I'm birthday, him name Ricardo. Happy birthday, Ricardo. I hope you live to see many more. And yes, yeah, I wonder how many was your birthday, but don't worry about it. Yeah. So happy birthday and thanks for always supporting me. You want your girlfriend, you want wifey, but depend who we are now. When I offer to reach our destination, but it not take long for reach a Ochi, so we're good. But you know like my hairstyle and not about to talk to me. I lucky things so one lady there, cause boy, my edge then did not go on with a bag of wildness. But yeah. What? No man. No. Whose snack is this? Oh, whose snack? Whose snack? Oh, I did not talk, sorry.
Can I take a picture? Can I take a picture?
Oh, baby looks so good. Oh, ah! I took you tonight.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we just have to take a little break. Jason, I'm taking picture.
No, they're going to take one couple pictures too.
Alright. Alright guys, we'll take one picture and come back.
Alright. I'm going to take you, you know.
Me take you pose again.
I don't know, post the picture, you know.
One more. Next one. It's a snack. Alright guys, so we reach and thank God we reach safe. Woo! I don't know what to say. I don't know I'm gonna end off the vlog right here. Cause I don't know when I have to come back to say part 2. Yeah, part 2. But we're just glad that we reach safe and we're gonna get something to eat right now because I'm hungry. Always hungry. But we're gonna get something to eat right now. And guys, communicate with me in my comment section. Comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any amount of time, but don't comment one time. And like up the video, share the videos, share my videos with your friends, anybody. Share them, like them up, and yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. And guys, I post one video one day and everybody has a happy anniversary, but thank you so much. But today is the 4th of November, tomorrow is the 5th of November, and tomorrow is my anniversary. You can go ahead and comment it now if you want, but you're definitely gonna get a video tomorrow. So if you want to wait, not a problem. But communicate with me in my comment section. Make Uno talk to me. Make a reply to Uno. Bye guys.